Hey, everybody, it is David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. How many minutes? Two. Today's tip is going to be a quote from your Uncle G, the Grant Cardone Tuesday quote of the day. Attitude will determine how far you go in life. A great attitude will cost you nothing, but a bad attitude will cost you everything. End quote. One more time for good measure. Attitude will determine how far you go in life. A great attitude will cost you nothing, but a bad attitude will cost you everything. So, what does that mean? It means you got to check yourself before, well, you know the rest. What are the qualifications of a great attitude, Dave? Thank you for asking that too, okay? How you perceive yourself, how you perceive your customer, and how you perceive your product. Those are the top three qualifications for a great attitude in sales. So remember, check yourself before you wreck yourself. How do you perceive yourself? How do you perceive your customer? And how do you perceive your product? This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, email me, david@grantcardone.com, or call me 310-777-0352, and be great, because nothing else pays. See you soon.